In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SciSpace for citation. So the first thing you want to do, you want to create an account at SciSpace. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can try out SciSpace completely for free by using my link. So make sure you check it out, link down below. Now, once you have your account over here on SciSpace, if you want to actually use it for citation, there's a few things you can do. So let's say you're doing a research or a literature review or something like that. So I'm just going to enter in a search query, for example, one of my recent searches on athletes and social media. I'm just going to put that in, and this is gonna, of course, give me a lot of different articles. Now, if you find an article over here you would like to cite, every time you are in here, you will see this button, of course, which is kind of the quotation marks, and it's gonna say cite this paper. So you can do this within this screen, so on this very screen where you can scroll through different potential articles, or you can also do it on here on this screen. As you can see, it's going to say cite, so it's going to open up essentially the very thing you want. So click on cite this paper, and over here it's going to give you, of course, the title so you can see what you're currently citing, as well as the option to change the citation style. Click on here and you'll be able to search across over 100 citation styles. You can just scroll down, find the one you're looking for. For me, it's going to be APA, basically the 7th edition. And here you can see your main citation. This is going to be it. You can just click over here to copy it to your clipboard, or if you want the in-text citation, you can see that over here as well, or you can just export it to your computer as well, either as the Word, so Microsoft Word, or the BibTeX file, okay? Now, of course, if you want to, if you're more advanced, you can open this in the citation generator tool, but of course, that's up to you. So that's essentially how you cite, and the exact same window will open up if you click cite over here, and you'll be able to essentially get this citation ready for you. Now, here on the left, you can also hover over, and then it's going to say citation generator. Now, this is the thing that's, of course, being mentioned over here, and you can click citation generator over here, and you can essentially start using this in the following way. So first, you want to select your current citation style. So for me, of course, it's going to be the APA, and then you have to use the citation tool by citing using the title or the URL. So of course, you can try some examples. You can paste in the title, or you can simply put in the URL to that specific article. So for me, I'm just gonna do, for example, this first thing that's going to pop up over here, and then you can see it's gonna say this is a journal article, and then it's gonna say all about it, and in here you'll be able to see your citation. Of course, it's gonna look pretty much the same as the thing we've seen earlier. Now down below, you can also see your references, so these are going to be the ones you have worked with before. It's all going to be saved down here, which is actually amazing. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use SciSpace for citation. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.